guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new video. I'm going to be doing the Miss Goldie hack. You probably already know by the title. So yeah, definitely go check my account out. It's CuteAmy11. So yeah, I will be doing a lot of giveaways on it. So yeah. So this is going to take a while because my computer just does not work. It takes ages. So yeah, and I'm talking to my BFF and my other best friend as well. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay. So yeah, so if you hear any noises, it's just them in the background, guys. So yeah. So this is my account. I'm just gonna change my outfit. I only made it to level 16 yesterday, and yes, I'm there already. So I have made other accounts already, and I have got rares on them, but I am going to be making a new account. So yeah, it's gonna take me a while to just do all this stuff because my computer, as I said already guys, it is not good at all. So yeah, it's a bit slow. So I will be back when I am all ready. Okay guys, so I am now ready. So I am going to make an account. So yeah. So I'm just going to make I'm not even going to, well, I'm going to be giving this account away guys. So I'll try and make it good. So yeah, I will be back when I have that done. Okay guys, so the name of this is going to be, I don't know, what will I name it? Let's name it Lucky 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just do that, yeah. Password is gonna be, oh my god, that name's already used, seriously. Let's add a 10. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna get to that name after. So the password is gonna be ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, back to this name. It's like it's not able to go. Okay, let's try. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, I will be back when I get this sorted. Okay, guys, so I am back, and I wasn't able to make an account, sadly, because it would not work for me. But I am on Sisters for Life 2007. So as you can see, I am already on level 10. So I'm just gonna go and try and get up to level 12. So yeah, as you can see, I already got a rare, the Ara hair. Also, my BFF Grace, Grace Stars XX, she just got 1 year VIP. So everybody go check her out, give her autos, like her posts. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do is I am going to go on messages, and I am going to go. This is an account I also made, guys. I don't think I made it to level 10 yet, so I might go on this account as well. So this is a rare. Some people have been saying, I don't know. It is a rare, I think. Here's also another account that I made. Here is, if it will even pop up, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, so here is Sisters for Life. What we're gonna do is just send the drip top to her, and then, send the drip top to this account. So I have a lot of stuff, guys, so it is gonna take me a bit. I'm just gonna get it. Okay, so that's just Grace and Nicole in the background. If you hear anything, it's just Grace and Nicole. So, yes. So, guys, I got this in Leveling. And I didn't buy it. I got it in Leveling, and the same with that. And, yeah. Yeah. I'll show you in a second. Okay, guys, so I will be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so I am back. And I was just helping Grace out there. Everybody go follow her. She is the bestest BFF that I have ever had. And she is the only BFF I have. So, yeah. So I am going to get the drip top, if it will pop up. I don't know. So yeah, guys, I'll be back when I find it. Okay, guys, so I can't find my drip top right now. So I'm going to be logging into another account that I think I must have left it on. So, yeah, guys, I will be back when I have this all done. Okay, guys, so it is on one of my accounts, but I have seen the time and this video is already long, so sorry for wasting your time. I will have to just do something else, guys. So what I'm just gonna do is okay, guys, so I have to, okay, it's on mute. Can you hear me? Okay, she can't hear me, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a greet. And she said that she'd give me one back. So I'll be back when I have that. Okay, guys, so something is happening. Nothing is working for me. So I guess that is it for the video. So sorry for that, guys. But yeah. Peace.